If you want to fix a Samsung phone that won't charge, so first of all, let's start with the basics. Inspect the charger and the cable for any dirt, dust or damage. Look closely at the charging port, like right here, and make sure there is no dirt inside of it. If there are any dirt or any debris, grab your toothpick or maybe soft brush and simply clean it off. Make sure to use your lighter or any kind of lighting to make it visible. Also, ensure that you're using an original Samsung charger. Non-official chargers may cause charging issues. Test with another working charger to ensure that the problem isn't within the charging equipment. After you cleaned your charging cable and you cleaned your charging port, connect the original USB cable to check if the phone starts charging. Also, sometimes the issue may lie within the phone software. So first of all, open up your settings. Scroll down to your software update tab. Here find download and install, open it up, and here make sure that your software is up to date. If now, install any available updates. After that, restart the phone. So hold your power button or power button plus volume down button depending on your phone model and press restart. Sometimes they may fix a lot of temporary glitches. Alright, and last but not least is to check our battery settings. So it's possible that certain battery settings are affecting charging. Open up your settings. Scroll down to your battery section. In my case, it's gonna be better in device care. Choose this option, choose your battery. So first of all, turn off any extra battery features such as battery protection or fast charging. Make sure to restart your phone again, and after your restart, connect the charger and see if the charging resumes. If that works, simply go back to battery settings later and re-enable features you previously turned off. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.